Welcome to 18 Quarry Lane in Milton. Wonderful neighborhood and really excited to show you this home today. So we're in the entryway, which has some wonderful tile, a great closet right nearby, and a convenient bathroom for you. As you move through here, you're going to enter the open kitchen, which has a wonderful island kind of breakfast bar here. Right next and open to your dining room over here, which has a nice slider off the back deck to do some entertaining. And right here off the entry / kitchen is one of the bedrooms, which also can double as an office. Let's take a look. Large size and double closets. And then you can enter the living room through this wide access, making for easy entertaining. There's a lot of light, a lot of windows through this home. There's durable wood-like vinyl plank flooring. And here's your front entry, which in classic Cape style leads you into this room and upstairs as well. And here we are in the primary bedroom. A unique layout with an ensuite bathroom offers you some flexibility and ability to have your own space upstairs. And here's your second bedroom upstairs, which is quite large and spacious. Okay, so as you come down the stairs to the basement, you're going to enter this wonderful family recreation space, set up for kind of TV lounging, but you could also have a corner for some exercise or just your own private reading time, whatever suits you as a family.